Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Apache reverse proxy on VPS for routing step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS server through SSH. Use an SSH client to connect to your server. Log in with your username and password. Ensure that Apache is installed on your server. If it's not installed, use the package manager to install it. On Ubuntu, run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt install Apache 2. On CentOS, run sudo yum install httpd. Next, enable the Apache proxy module. Run the command sudo a2 nmod proxy. Also, enable the proxy HTTP module by executing sudo a2 nmod proxy _HTTP. Restart Apache to apply the changes by running sudo system to restart Apache 2. Now, create a configuration file for your reverse proxy. Navigate to the Apache configuration directory, typically found at /etc/apache2/sites available/. Create a new configuration file using the command sudo nano yourdomain.conf. Inside the configuration file, start with the virtual host directive. Specify the port on which Apache will listen, usually port 80. Define the server name with your domain name. Add the proxy pass directive to route traffic. For example, use proxy pass /http //localhost 3000/. Then, include the proxy pass reverse directive to ensure correct responses. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Now, enable the new site configuration. Use the command sudo a2 and site yourdomain.conf. Again, restart Apache to activate the new configuration. Check the status of Apache to ensure it's running without errors. You can do this by running sudo system status Apache 2. Next, open your firewall to allow traffic on port 80. For UFW, execute sudo of allow Apache full. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.